Oh, now dabbity nabbit, will you open the door? Oh, I don't think anybody's in there. I think someone's playing a trick on me. Okay. I'll play a trick back on them. Grab yourself a butter knife. Let's see if I can get in there, shall we? Kaboom. Ha 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 ha. Can't fool Joe. Alright, you tricked me. Oh no. Yeah. Uh-huh. See? You can open up your bedroom door and your bathroom door. If you just have a butter knife, a standard slotted screwdriver, or anything like that. You see, this is a privacy handle, and this particular privacy handle has a thumb turn on the back side. You see there? If you have a thumb turn like this to lock and unlock the door, so you want to lock the door, just turn that thumb turn, okay, and close the door. Now it's locked from the other side. See? So you unlock it, turn the thumb turn. Okay? Now some doors don't have that. Remember, I've showed you on other doors where right there's just a little pinhole, right? There's just a little pinhole. You're going to take something in there and push it and pop the other side out. But if you just have a slot like that and the door's locked, all you're doing is taking a flat screwdriver or anything flat, in this case a butter knife, and just simply turn it, and all you're doing, oh, I locked it there. Now I unlocked it. See? All you're doing is turning that thumb turn here. Okay? Now watch that again. I'm going to hold it right there. Turning it. See how it turns the thumb turn? Now it's locked. Now it's unlocked. Okay. That's all this video was about, was to show you very quickly how to unlock a privacy door with a thumb turn. Ha ha ha. If you use your butter knife like that for the little tool to unlock your door, don't put it back in here. Just make sure you put that in the dishwasher or wash it, okay? That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more